people? What's wrong with Jen? Why she keep marrying people? What's wrong with Jen? What's wrong with her? Because that bitch needs citizenship. That's what's wrong with her. She needs a green card. She needs a green card. She ain't low because she ducked low when she got here. I know I bought a belt from that bitch in Tijuana. You ain't and she is beautiful. She is beautiful. I ain't trying to hate. She beautiful. But she is of the Latin persuasion. So as soon as she have a baby, she gonna be shaped like SpongeBob SquarePants.